Hi everybody, my name is Casey and I'm from the Springfield Babywearers, and I'm here today to show you how to do an inside out coolest hip cross carry, or an inside out CHCC. And this is just kind of a little bit of a variation from a regular coolest hip cross carry, which is a pre-tied carry. You want to use this carry a lot of times with a short or maybe a mid-size wrap, somewhere between like a 3 and a 5 probably. I will be using a size 6 today, and I'll show you how to do some of your longer tails if you choose to use a longer wrap. So what we're going to start out with is we're going to start out with a short tail over one shoulder. I'm right-handed. I usually like to have my right hand free, so I always start out with my left shoulder. Since I'm using a size 6 wrap today, I will actually kind of start out where it hits about mid-knee or about knee length for me. If you're using a shorter wrap, you can go up a lot higher, maybe say like hip-wise or waist. I'm going to go with about my knee. And this, you start out a lot like just a regular CHCC. So again, you got a short tail over one shoulder, and you come around back and spread it out. Go up front and across your waist and under this tail. Bring it around here, making sure not to twist any of your tails. With a regular CHCC, you would bring it on up from here and do either a knot or a slip knot. For the inside out version or the reverse version, you're actually going to bring this tail up under and through here. Making your X on your hip. Now this carry can be done with newborns in a tummy-to-tummy position. Again, my baby is 11 months old, about 30 pounds. He likes to sit on the hip so he can look around, so we'll be doing the hip version. So I'm going to make a little room for him here in my pocket. And then what you could do is, again, you could just double knot here, or you can do a slip knot. I'll be doing a slip knot today. So a lot of times what I like to do is take my right hand, hold this, bring this tail up and over, and then up through here. So you've kind of got this. I'll bring it down and around, so it almost looks like a 4 at this point. So down and around and through this hole. And then you got your beginnings of a slip knot. Now I don't want to tighten it up too much because I want to be able to pull on my slip knot here. So I'm just going to loosen it up again just a bit, bringing that knot up towards my shoulder and making room for my baby in the pocket. Once you've got your beginnings here, you want to go ahead and grab your baby. This is August. He is 11 months old, almost 30 pounds. So once we have this pre-tied carry ready to go, what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick August in the pocket. So in this instance, I'm going to go to the tail or the rail that's closest to my body, taking his foot and putting it through here. The one that's furthest out from the body, I'm going to go ahead and take this one and pop him through here. So what he's going to be doing is he's going to be sitting on that X. Okay? So I'm going to go ahead and start out with the one that's closest to him. I'm going to take the top rail and spread this across his back. You want to go up as far as you can. He usually likes to have his arms out, so I let him have his arms out. Today he might cooperate. Then you want to make sure to actually get that spread from knee to knee. Getting a nice deep seat there. Okay. And then we're going to take this one, top rail, and spread it out across his back. Bringing it up as far as you can. And spreading from knee to knee. And then you can kind of start to tighten at this point. So just come around here, kind of tighten from rail to rail if you can. Like to kind of bounce a bit. You can move your shoulder to help move that fabric. Make sure to adjust and tighten properly. He's a bit loose in here, so I'm going to tighten that back up. Alright, and once you have it adjusted properly, again, knee to knee, that is an inside out coolest hip cross carry. Since I've got a little bit of extra tails, sometimes what I like to do if I'm just running errands out and about and I don't want my tails to hit the floor, I'll go ahead and twist. Thank you for a nice little twist there. And there you have it. Inside out, coolest is cross carry, and it is poppable carry. So again, you can go ahead and pop baby in and out. It's really good for running errands. So, anyway, thank you. Have a great day.